Hello everyone, welcome to Akshara IT Foundation. This is Synop, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class. Today we are going to discuss about the concept of intercept. Concept of intercept. Okay. Yeah. So what is the intercept? Right. Before that we discussed about the transversal. Right. Transversal means a line which intersects two or more lines. A line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called transversal. To discuss about the intercept concept also, we should use the transversal only. That means, for example, if you take any two lines AB and CD, any two lines like AB and CD, L is a transversal, L is a transversal, and this transversal is intersect the this transversal line, intersect the remaining two lines at two different points like P and Q. Now the distance between P and Q is called transverse. Okay, na? It is a transversal line which is exactly between the 2 points on a lines. Remaining two lines is called intercept. Okay, na? So from the figure here we can call that PQ is intercept. PQ is called intercept. Okay, na? So let us consider pair of parallel lines. These two are parallel lines. I am taking in transversals like this. Here M and N are transversals. M and N are transversals. Here if you take that AB and CD. Excuse. Yeah. The transversal together I am going to take like this. Okay. Yeah. Here AB, A to B and A to C. These two distances can be equal. Then these two lines are parallel lines. Okay, right? If the distance between or the length of the intercepts are equal, we can say that the given lines are parallel lines. Okay. Let us see here. I am taking the three parallel lines like this. Okay. L and M are intercept. L and M are transversals. Here A, B, C, D, E, F. We already discussed the line segment. The length of the line segment between these lines is called intercept. While you are observing here, if AB, BC, DE and EF all are intercepts for these given parallel lines, from this we can discuss that AB distance by BC distance. Properties I am telling. AB by BC equals to DE by EF. AB by BC, this distance by this distance, ratio of this side transversal or this ratio of the intercepts formed by the transversal L is equals to ratio of the intercepts formed by the transversal M. This is the property. AB by BC equals to DE by EF. Okay, na? By using the intercepts concept. Or they can be together also, they can meet like this. Like this together also we can make. For example, A, B, C, D and E. So we can take that AB by BD equals to AC by CE. Okay? Right. And here, the properties here, if the lines are parallel, we can consider the transversals are in the ratio, this one, AB by BC equals to DE by EF. And the second one, if the intercepts are equal, then they become a parallel. These three lines can be parallel. They are having the length of the intercepts are equal. They make the parallel lines. Okay, na? If they are, they can be the parallel lines, but need not be always the intercepts are equal, because the transversal line can be bent like anything. Okay. For example, if you take that AB, BC is equals to DE by EF, if you draw one more transversal like this cannot be the same length, right? The intercepts can be the different length because the transversal line is so much of bend when you compare with the previous one. So from this you should understand intercepts, length of intercepts equal. That means the given lines are parallel. But given lines parallel, they cannot, that means they need not be make the intercepts are equal length all the time. Okay? Right. Now let us go to the concept based questions, that if two lines L and M are intersected by a transversal N at A and B. Okay, L and M are intersected by a transversal. Two lines are intersected by a transversal N. Let me draw the diagram. I am taking two lines L and M intersect by a transversal N. Okay, na? Right. And A and B, then the distance from A to B is called. That means you are intersecting at A and B. The distance between A and B is called intercept. The distance of AB is equals to intercept. Okay, na? From the definition we discussed. Now second question, if the three lines are intersected by two transversals, three lines are intersected by two transversals. Yeah, one second, here it went. Yeah. If the three lines are intersected by two transversal and their intercepts ratio is equal, then the intercepts are equal. Or then the intercepts are making parallel lines. Intercept ratio are equal, then the intercepts are intersecting. Okay. Yeah, let me draw the diagram. If three lines are intersected by three lines, 1, 2, 3. Three lines are intersect by two transversals, right? Yeah, intersect by two transversals. How the transversal should be there? And their intercepts ratio is equal. Intercepts ratio is equal. That means if you take the point A, B, C, like E and F, the ratio AB by BC, AB by BC is equals to AE by EF. Then the intercepts are, we can take it as a concurrent. They can be the equal size. Or similar also we can discuss. Yeah. So from this option, they are not be parallel lines. Yeah, they can be parallel lines, right? Having the same ratio. Yeah, they can be a parallel lines. That means these two intersecting lines can be like this. Then we can take these two ratios are equal. Okay? They can be the parallel lines. You need to go through the option parallel lines. Now the third one is, if three lines, if the lines are parallel, then the intercepts are need not be parallel every time. Just we discussed. Lines parallel, the intercepts need not be parallel every time, but intercepts are parallel. Intercepts are equal, then we can make them the lines are parallel. Okay? So they need not be parallel or they need not be equal, we can say that. Okay? So that means if the lines are parallel, then the intercepts need not be in equal length. Question number, intercepts need not be equal for parallel lines. Sometimes they may be equal also, it doesn't matter. But we cannot say exactly every time they are equal or not, we cannot say directly. Okay. Now we'll go through the next one. Question number 5. Fourth question. If the lines L is parallel to M and M is parallel to N and P comma Q are transversals intersecting at A, B, C, D, E, F. respectively. Three lines are parallels. Question number 4. Line L, line M, and line L. Three lines are parallel, and they are intersected by the two transversals like this, and they intersect at the points A, B, C, and D, E, F. So for the parallel lines, the intercepts are in the same ratio. That means AB by AC or AB by BC equals to DE by EF. AB by BC is equals to DE by EF for parallel lines. Okay. Next, coming to the question number 5. If the right, if L is LM is parallel to QR. LM is parallel to QR. I am taking like this. LM is parallel to QR. Is it given the diagram? Sorry, diagram is given. Diagram is given. So it is a triangle like PQR. Triangle like PQR. And it is given that LM is parallel to QR. These two are parallel, it seems. And L is a line which is passing through point P or vertex of a triangle P. And from the figure it is given that PL and by LQ, PL by LQ are in the ratio 5:8, right? Sorry, question number, yeah, 1 second children. Yeah, question number 5, this one. So, okay, if intercepts are equal, then the lines are parallel. Sorry, this is the question which is from the exercise, but we are in concept based questions, so just change the question, that is 5. Question number 5 is, yeah, if the intercepts are equal, we can say that the given lines are parallel. Given lines are parallel. Okay, now 6th concept based question is, yeah, if a system of parallel lines makes equal intercepts on the transversal, then the distance between the consecutive lines is same. Then the distance between the consecutive lines is same. Okay, now we'll go through the exercise problems, then you will, yeah, question number 1. Let us go through the exercise 1 problems. The first problem is given that from the given, from the given diagram, one of the diagram is given. So let me draw the diagram first. So the parallel lines, 1, 2, 3, 3 parallel lines are given, and 2 transversal lines also given, L and M. L is a transversal here, M is a transversal here. Yeah, this is L. And E, F, G, H, I, J. Yeah, here to here. E, F, G, H, I, J. These are the points made by the transversal. Intersecting points made by the transversal. Okay. Now from these three, from the given diagram, the parallel lines EF and GH and IJ, these three are parallel lines. Horizontal lines are parallel lines, it seems, and are intercepted by the transversals M, L and M. These three parallel lines are intersected by these two transversals, where EG equals to 2 centimeters, E to Z, this distance equals to 2 centimeters, and GI 4 centimeters. Yeah, G to I 4 centimeters, and FH is 3 centimeters. F to H is 3 centimeters, and H to J is, we need to find the H to J. And we already discussed that if two transversals are intersected by the parallel lines, the given intercepts are in the same ratio. They cannot be equal, but ratio must be equal. So from this we can write that ratio is EG by EG by GI is equals to, from figure we can write that FH by HJ. Okay, so from this EG value is 2 centimeters and GI value is 4 centimeters, that equals to FH value is 3, HJ we don't know, so we need to find. So do cross multiplication, 2 into HJ is 2HJ and 3 into 4, 12. 3 4s are 12. We need to find the value of HJ. 2 is multiplying, when you transpose it is going to divide. So 12 by 2, that is nothing but 6 centimeters. So the distance between H and J is 6 centimeters, because parallel lines made by the transversal makes intercepts are in the same ratio. So our answer must be 6 centimeters. HJ, right. Now coming to the, if LM is parallel to QR, second problem, LM is parallel to QR and EM is parallel to MD. Second one, LM is parallel to QR and PL by LQ equals to 3 by 5. PL by LQ is equals to 3 by 5, ratio given. And PR 5.6 centimeters. PR equals to 5.6 centimeters. Then we need to find the value of PM. So there is no diagram here, we need to take the diagram. LM is parallel to QR. Okay, if you take that, yeah, transversal like this. I think one of the question is missing. Yeah, LM is parallel to QR and PL by LQ. PL by LQ 3 by 5. So PR value 5.6, then PM value. How many lines are given here? Yeah, 1 second, children. Yeah, from this figure we need to take that. Yeah, the diagram definitely will be like this. Here if you take the P here, or like this, yeah. PL by LQ equals to PM by PR. For parallel lines, they are making that equal intercepts. So from this we can write PL by LQ equals to PM by MR. Okay, so try to substitute the values. PL value is 3 by 5 and PR means the total length is 5.6 centimeters. Total length, that means total length is 5.6 centimeters. So what I will do, PM, what I have to find actually here, PM or PR, PR value is given, we need to find PM value we need to find it. Right, so PM by MR, I'm just adding 1 both sides. I'm just adding 1 both sides to identify the value of PR. So 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 3, 8. This will be 8 by 5. That is equals to PM plus 1 into MR is MR divided by MR. Okay, now? So PM plus MR is nothing but PR. PM plus MR is nothing but PR by MR. So we know already PR value how much? 5.6. So just substitute here 8 by 5 equals to 5.6 by MR. 5.6 by MR. Do cross multiplication, then 8 into MR equals to 5 into 5.6. 5 into 5.6. So MR value 5.6 into 5 by 8. 8 table 0.7 times. Okay, so MR value is nothing but 3.5. 5 into 0.7 is nothing but 3.5. But we don't want MR, we want PM value. PM is nothing but PR minus MR. PM is nothing but total length PR minus this MR. PR we have 5.6, MR is 3.5, nothing but 2.1 centimeters. The required PM value is 2.1 centimeters. Okay, now, so option 3. So let us go to the third problem. Right. Yeah, third problem is if L is parallel to LE and AM, AB and M is L is parallel to LE, that is parallel to AB, and also given that M is parallel to EM and that is parallel to BD. Okay. One second, slow down. Yeah, so there is a diagram which is given that A, B, C, D. So like ABC triangle is there and here one D will be there. Okay, so ABCD triangle and here to here L and E will be, and also E to M. Here M will be there. Yeah. And from this figure we have to we just identify that LE is parallel to AB. LE is parallel to AB. These two are parallel. EM is parallel to BD. So these two also parallel. Okay, na? Now, right. Then we need to find out what the condition is here. CL by AL equals to CE by CB. Yeah. Now, from this value, you are observing that if you are taking these two triangles are parallel by using that intercept concept, CL by LA. CL by LA equals to CE by EB. CE by EB. And same way, if you take this type, this side will take from that CE by CB, sorry, EB is equals to CM by MD. Okay, na? So from these two concepts we can write, that means see, these two are equal now, so we can equate the remaining. CL by LA equals to CM by MD. So this is our required answer. Check the option, that is, yeah, CL by LA is equal to CM by MD. That is the first option is true. Or all of these also. Check that remaining. CE by EB is equals to CM by MD. Yes, that is also correct option. Yeah, all answers are same. All are possible chances. Okay, let us go to the problem number 4. Yeah, the fourth problem is given that. So in a triangle ABC, L is parallel to, sorry, let me draw the diagram first. So triangle ABC, here ABC is a triangle and L is a parallel line through C. L is a parallel line through C. This is point C. Okay, and ML is parallel to AB. ML is parallel to AB. Okay, now the question is, if AL equals to 4 centimeters, AL value 4 and AC value 11. That means here total 11 means this will be 7. Okay, na? Total A2C value is AC value is 11. Then we can write that CL value is 7. So BM value is X. This one is X. Then BC is 22. The total is 22. Here the total is 11. Okay, na? So we need to find the value of X. X value we should find. And we know that intercept concept is there two parallel lines like this. L also parallel to these two lines. Okay. So from this intercept concept we can write CM by MB, or also CM by CB also we can write total, or you can write CM by MB equals to CL by LA. So from the total distance we found already it is 7, right? So from this CM value we don't know, but MB value is X. Okay. Now CL by LA we don't know. So we know that right total length is CA is equals to 11 centimeters. Try to add 1 both sides. That means MB plus CM by MB, that equals to CL plus LA by LA. And MB plus CM. MB plus CM is nothing but CB. CB by MB is equals to, this is CA by LA. CA by LA. Substitute the value. CB value is 22 and MB value is X. And here CA value is 11 and LA value is 4. Try to do the cross multiplication. That is 11x equals to 88. X value is 8 centimeters. 11 table 88, 80 times. Finished. We'll go through the next one. Okay, na? So observe problem number 5. Again, diagram is given. Diagram based problems, these are all. But you should remember the intercept concept. Yeah. Same diagram, LEM QR. Okay, same diagram is given. So PQR is a triangle and LM is a line segment and it is L, line L, small l. Yeah, from the figure it is given that these three are parallel lines, it seems. These three are parallel lines and the measurements are PL by LQ. PL by LQ, this ratio, PL by LQ ratio is 5 by 8. Okay, and PR value 3.9, the total length. PR value 8, sorry 3.9. Next, then the value of PM. We need to find this value PM. Okay, right. So try to write that PL by LQ. By that intercept concept for parallel lines, these intercepts are equal. So PL by LQ equals to PM by MR. Okay, or else we can write PL by PQ. PL by PQ also we can write, but before that just try to substitute the value. PL value 5, LQ value 8. PM value only we need to find. MR value we don't know. Now try to add 1 both sides. Then how it will be? At 1 8 plus 5, 13 by 8. That is equal to PM plus MR. PM plus MR is nothing but PR. PR by MR. PR by MR. So total PR value is 3.9. So 13 by 8 equals to 3.9 by MR. So try to simplify this. Do cross multiplication. MR equals to 3.9 into 8. 3.9 into 8 by 13. So without the table, without the decimal, it will be 39 by 10. 13 table 39 3 times, nothing but 0.3 times. So M value 0.3 into 8, nothing but 2.4. 2.4 centimeters m value, and the total length is 3.9. PR length is 3.9. No, this 2.4 we need to subtract. 1.5 is our required PM value. Total length minus total length minus MR will give you the PM value. Okay, right? So that's it for today, children. Thank you, one and all. Have a nice day.